Congratulations on purchasing the MIG200S. Before we get started, I'd like to go through all the accessories on the machine, how they fit to the machine and what the functions of the accessories are for. All the accessories of the MIG200 are in the side flap of the machine. We open it up. We have the MIG torch, the earth cable and the gas hose, which will go onto a flow meter which is supplied separately. Firstly, we'll fit the earth cable into the machine sockets, making sure it is located tight. We'll then fit the MB15 MIG torch into the central connector by locating the trigger pins and fastening up the plastic assembly. We are now ready to fit our roller wire, which is not included in the machine but is available from your local supplier. Inside the machine we have a feed motor. What this feed motor does, it actually turns and pushes the wire through the torch. To tighten the MIG wire, we put down the feed roller, we put the tensioner device in place, and we can turn down our tension so that there's enough tension on the wire to stop any slipping whilst welding. To fit the wire, we loosen the hub assembly cap. You'll see there is a locating pin that the wire will locate onto. You'll notice he's locating the pin. He feeds the wire through the wire guide, through the feed roller, into the inlet guide, and puts the tensioning device into position. He then will put on the hub reel cap to secure the roller wire. The gas hose is fitted onto the regulator, which is not included in the machine but is available from your local supplier. To feed the wire through the torch, there is an inch button inside the machine. What this inch button does, it pushes the wire through the feed motor without supplying any gas and electric current, therefore making the machine safe for the operator. A side cutters can be used to trim the wire to the correct distance, which is approximately 5 millimeters away from the shroud. We are now ready to set our gas flow rate, which should be 12 liters per minute. The machine is now ready for welding. The front panel of the machine consists of an on-off switch, a voltage selector potentiometer, a wire speed potentiometer, an analog voltmeter, an analog current meter, and a switch to do 0.8mm wire or 1mm wire. In this case, we are using a 0.8mm wire, therefore we'll put our switch onto 0.8. The consumables on the MIG gun is a shroud, a contact tip, and a tip adapter which can be unscrewed. You'll notice this is an M6 0.8mm contact tip which screws into the tip adapter. We have a shroud which goes on and is actually turned in the clockwise position to locate. To take it off, it's also turned in the clockwise position and pulled away from the torch. The stick out of the wire should be approximately 5 millimeters. Once again, protective clothing is necessary: gloves, an apron and a helmet. We are now ready to weld. That is the quality of the weld. Splatter free, smooth, no flux. Besides welding in the flat position, the machine is actually very versatile. We can weld in the vertical down position without readjusting the machine.